Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Yakisoba Pan. Yakisoba Pan is a very typical and popular Japanese savory bun. Basically, it's a yakisoba in a hot dog bun. Some people cook yakisoba with many vegetables and meat, but some people just cook yakisoba. Simple yet delicious, it's up to you. Many people love it, my daughter's favorite food as well. I really hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You need vegetables of your choice, mainly cabbage and bean sprouts. Cut the pork into small pieces, sausages are okay. Hello again, my frying panda. Heat 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Cook the vegetables until tender. Cook the meat until no longer pink. Lightly season with salt and pepper. Add 1 serving of yakisoba noodles. It's easy for kids to eat if you cut the noodles short. If you don't have yakisoba sauce, you can mix tonkatsu sauce and soy sauce. Split the top of the bun. Butter or mayonnaise if you like. Karashi mustard is optional. I saved some from natto package for this kind of cases. Now let's stuff yakisoba.
開いてください。はい、お肉入れてあげるね。よいしょ、これ何の？
Aonori green laver gives a nice flavor. Benishoga, red pickled ginger if you like, it's optional.
Oh no, it's done.
And now it's done! Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Ne? こうがせ
こうじゃなくてね。
そう、もうなんでよ。
じゃーじゃー